Hi, I'm Nicole, and I'm here with Crystal. And Crystal, what is it that you do at Republic?
Currently, I work in the engineering department as an engineering and product assistant.
And what does that mean?
So what I do right now is I work on the sheet metal side of our company. I handle processing all of our new orders for our sheet metal customers, ordering all of the materials, seeing the projects through the shop, making sure that we are hitting our delivery times and expectations for our customers, and working with the engineering department on new product development, any R&D products that they have. So ordering their materials that they need for those types of projects. So I get to see a little bit of everything that goes through Republic.
And is that always what you've done here at Republic?
Yes and no. I started off just in the production department, only handling customer sheet metal orders. Basically, processing the order and kind of sending it out, ordering some material, and then closing it out once it was finished. I did a little bit of customer service as well back then too, but I think now I do a little bit more of kind of everything.
Great. And what's your favorite part of your job?
I really enjoy that. I come to work every day, and I technically do the same thing every day, but I don't do the same thing every day. There's always something going on. It's busy, which is great for me. I really like a fast-paced environment. So I get to come in every day, and I'm just instantly, from the time I clock in, you're on the go. Go. So I really enjoy that there's always something to do. I'm learning constantly every single day. There's just something new to learn every day. So I enjoy that, I enjoy that environment. And I like my coworkers. I like everybody I work with too. So that's bonus,
Yeah. And so what keeps you coming back every day?
I really like that since I've started working here, every single day I'm learning something new. I didn't have a lot of experience in this industry before I started here. My father's a machinist. I knew a little bit about that kind of a thing. I grew up in a machine shop, but I've learned a ton about this industry. I mean, obviously, there's so much more to learn, but just in the short period of time I've been here, I've really learned a lot. And the team I work with is really great. They really help anytime I have any questions about something, or I'm just curious about anything. They all take their time, and they'll answer any questions I have, or if I'm not really understanding something, they help teach me. So I like that I work for a company where I have a ton of room to grow, and I'm enjoying really learning new things every day, and I really enjoy that I'm constantly having something to do. So it makes it fun. Yeah, I enjoy it.
Great. And how long have you been with Republic?
Going on 2 years in June. Almost 2 years.
Wonderful. Well, we're glad to have you.
Thank you.
you.
Thanks.